Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Valorant font. So in the first instance I'm going to show you how to actually get the font, and afterwards I'm actually going to recreate it a bit in Photoshop to show you how it looks. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. Okay, so we're going to jump right in here. We're just going to type Valorant font. There we go. Just going to go to the first one here, the font. You can see it's pretty straightforward. Then you want to go here and click on download. As you can see, this will appear up here. I'm just going to do this, which is show in folder. As you can see here, it will be in my downloads. So then what you can do, you can actually right click and do extract all, or you can just go inside and just click the font file immediately here. As you can see, this is a true type font file. You can recognize it by this little icon here. This means it's a font file. So what you want to do then is double click on it. You want to click the button install here. As you can see, this box will appear. And once that box is gone, you can see here, this is grayed out, and it means that it's actually been installed. And now you can pretty much use it in any software. But so as I said, I'm going to show you in Photoshop how it actually looks. Okay, so here when I'm in Photoshop, I'm just going to go to File and New here. Just going to make a 920 by 1080 pixels here. I'm going to do 300 resolution, RGB color, and then I'm going to put the background at white here. I will actually change that in a minute here. So I'm going to zoom out here. Now I prepared the colors here. I checked the colors. I used a color picker, which is basically when you go to the color and then you can click anywhere on the screen to pick up on a color. And so basically if I click on this one right here, I'm going to take this one, which is like a light reddish, and I'm going to double click on the background here, click OK. Double click again, I'm going to do a color overlay, and then I'm going to go here and paste the color. As you can see, it's pretty much the background color of what Valorant would use. And then we're going to go to the text itself. First of all, I'm going to make this bigger. And then of course we're going to go to our new font, which is Valorant. Simply called, so we just have the search bit here. And there we go, here we have it, Valorant. Now as you can see, if I do a normal A like this, it looks like this. But if I do caps lock, it actually points toward the other way. But also for the V, as you can see. It's something fun you can play around with. If you do caps lock, you can actually turn around the letters. So we're basically going to do like in the logo itself. So they were both pointing toward like this. So I'm going to continue typing the word here. And then here, we're going to do a normal A that points toward here. So do the other side. And as you can see, this is how they would do it in the original wallpaper logo, you know. And there you go, as you can see, it's as simple as that. You can now use this for anything from like a thumbnail to a logo, whatever you want to use this for. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, it would be really nice. Subscribe, would also be really nice. And hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.